Oh, hi, baby. You wanted kisses last night. What, my breath smell too bad today? He's like, get out my house.
Oh my god.
You guys are crazy.
Oh, hi, baby.
Oh my god.
Your breath tastes as bad as mine do.
I wish I was in that kind of mood when I woke up from a hangover.
She's like delusional.
Yeah, she's delirious.
Oh, you smell like butt. Oh, hi, baby.
You're not even looking at me, dog.
I am too.
Oh.
Oh yeah, this video is going on Facebook. No
Oh, I will get out the house in a minute. In a minute, baby. Your breath really tastes horrible. Did you brush your teeth this morning? They told me not to sleep with no dog. Here I am.
Oh my god.
Oh, baby. You won't even look at me. You won't even look at me. You told me you loved me last night.
He's like, get away.
Get me out of here.
I gotta watch this.
You didn't taste it. Your breath tastes as bad as mine? Nope.
You guys are crazy.
Alright, well don't touch the gum. We'll share it. We don't have much. I'll throw this away from you.
Here, you need a mint? I got a mint for you.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that
It's because Bowser kissed me.
that's because I can smell it all the way from here.
Oh my god.
You're lucky you're a kid. But wait a minute. I'm gonna get out in a minute.
You're lucky you're a donut.
I'll be so mad, but I'm leaving in a minute. I know I'm in the house. I know I take up the whole house. I'm gonna get out in a minute.
Home wrecker.
I could have slept here last night. Why didn't nobody tell me to come in here?
Oh yeah, that is so.
Alright, you need to do it next time you spend the night
I
here.
will.
You're
We're gonna have a pillow.
I don't even need a pillow. I got Bell Wizard. He'll probably be like, get me out. Oh, he's sad I'm in his house.
Yeah, he's mad at you.
Bowser.
You won't even look at her.
I think he's hungry.
He's
Then
like
he's
Brandon.
totally gonna
Please
say
help.
Everybody still can't get him out of jail. No.
2 dog biscuits and a bottle of water. And I'll eat the biscuits.
Oh my gosh.
Give me the kisses.
I put him out of jail.
There's no way. This is ridiculous. I need sleep.
Where is my phone?
Oh, a couple
My mouth
beers
is
would be alright.
so dry. Megan, it's enough! Bowser, one last kiss, baby, for the camera. Bowser, look at me. You loved me last night. Bowser, you asked me to marry you last night, and now you can't
Randall.
even
No, no.
look at me.
I can't find my phone. Let me look at the pictures first.
Now, Wizzle, I know I'm in your
I'll take a
house.
picture.
I'm gonna get out. We gonna get out. We gonna get out. We
You
gonna
gotta hold the button down.
Which one? This one?
Yep, hold it down until it flashes.
Wait till we're kissing.
French Chris.
What?
She's gonna get in on our double dares, huh? Tell Nikki G you double dared. Double dog dare.
I gave you a water bottle to do it.
I'm
cold.
Tell her to give her some apple juice.
Oh, no, thank you. Apple juice is not good for your butt. Too much weight had to go pee-pee.
Oh my god.
I drank all the apple juice and made it refrigerator, and I was walking out the door and I was like, oh my god, something's in my tummy.
If you only knew.
Listen, they brought us water. They brought us water. Where's our slices of bread and fried green bologna?
Kiddo. $100 to get you out of this place. Quick.
So we can laugh.
Hey Nikki, that apple juice you drank that messed up your butt, that's meant for kids when they're constipated.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Was that why it was called tummy tickler?
Yep.
I drank 6 of them. I'm talking about.
It tickled your tummy, didn't it?
Bowser, are you mad at me?
Hey, Riley. Come here.
So you want some more apple juice now, Nikki?
I literally drank every
And she was
one.
telling everybody yesterday, don't drink apple juice. No, don't drink tummy tickler.
I was like, I might as well have had a laxative in my butt.
That's what a laxative does.
Oh, coming on. Megan, stop it. Stop it. Be released. Leave me alone. Oh, too big for this. Too big for this. Oh. I am awake. Come on now. Cut that crap out.